Hi, I'm Patrick from freefincal. You must have heard the news by now that Franklin has decided to close six of its debt funds. I have already written about the next steps for affected investors and why and where Franklin messed up in the implementation. I would suggest that you go check out those posts. I can't speak normally today because I don't feel too good. It's a long story, but it's just my autoimmune thing. Uh, so, what I want to talk about today is that for affected investors, if you are investing, if you have been investing in this funds, what next? And if you're invested in Franklin savings funds or any other Franklin funds, um, any other Franklin funds, there could be trouble, and I'm not saying no. The Franklin Savings Money Market Fund is not one of the six closed funds, but other people may redeem in hurry, in panic, and that can affect existing investors. So if you are worried about that, then the only option left for you is to exit. I don't want to create panic by saying everybody exit. I think it's a little irresponsible to say that, but it's up to your comfort level. If you think that Franklin can manage the liquidity of high rated bonds, then stay. If you think they cannot, then exit. Other bonds, for example, Franklin Hybrid Fund or other funds, you have to look at the bonds and take a call. Look at the weights of the bonds and take a call. Again, the same thing. If you are not comfortable, you'll have to exit. But if you think Franklin can manage, then you'll have to stay put. So that's a call that you'll have to make. So that is that for people who are invested in other funds. For those who are invested in these six funds, if you want, there are many people who ask me questions: how much money will I get? When will I get? And so on. First of all, you must understand that it is not a question of how much money you will get. Let us say the fund has got a closed fund has got 10 bonds, and today the NAV is 10. So the money you have, it has got 10 bonds, the NAV is 10, and you have some 1000 units. So 1000 units into 10 is 10,000 rupees is your current value. So now in these funds, the NAV will go up and down, a little bit fluctuate like this and so on. What they will do is as and when the bonds mature, so let's say next month one bond matures, that cash will be put into a savings bank account or a current account or some kind of overnight bond. So you will gradually see the NAV, which was fluctuating like this, you will see the NAV slowly smoothen and become like a liquid fund in the closed funds. That means that more and more of the portfolio is getting converted to cash. Franklin may then decide to pay out that money partially to investors. It would be they have said they will do regular payments, so which means that they may pay every month. I don't know. They may choose to pay every month. That would be a very good option for everybody, including the AMC. So they may also try and sell some of these bonds in the secondary market, but if they sell, there will be capital loss, and the NAV will fall down a little bit, or they could be capital gains. I don't know. So in that case, it can happen soon, but minimum time is the average maturity of the portfolio. But some bonds can be much more than that. For example, the average maturity can be 0.5 years. The bond can be 1 year old. Franklin may wait for 1 year to cash, or they may sell. It depends on what they can do or what they plan to do. So you will get gradual payouts, but the full amount um, corresponding to the value of your 1000 units may take few months to even a couple of years, depending on the type of fund. Long-term funds, it can take longer than that. But I think Franklin may not pull it out that long. They have a reputation to worry about, and that's been badly affected. So they may take action as and when things return to normalcy. The speed at which the money comes back could pick up, but investors have to be patient. Like I said, if you're invested in other funds of Franklin, you have to take a call. If you're not comfortable, then there's no option for you. It's better to exit. So that's what you need to do, and I'll catch you later. I can't speak for too long. I'll catch you later. I probably can't make a Tamil video. I'll try to, but I can't make one today. Bye bye.